This is a 9kg condenser dryer. They do it as an 8kg as well. The way you work it is basically the same, but conventional condenser dryers don't need any venting or anything like that, hence the name. But heat pump machines are lovely, but they do tend to drag their feet a bit when it comes to speed. If you're not going to use the machine a lot and you just want to get the job done as quickly as possible, conventional condensers are generally faster than most of the others. There are some brands in heat pump that break the rules, but generally these are always faster. Nice big tub. All tumble dryers have pretty big tubs normally. It's a set and forget, so it works on sensors to make sure the clothes are as dry as you've asked for them to be, whether it's iron dry, which is a little bit damp still, cupboard dry, which is just enough weight to pull the creases out on a hanger, or kind of bone dry if you want to put it on and wear it straight away. Beko have got a lovely reputation for all these kind of machines, lots of awards. There's your tank there. Just get rid of the condensate wherever appropriate, don't drink it. As far as day-to-day use is concerned, standard filter there, just clean that each go. And as it's a normal condenser, pop down there just every few months, just make sure that's all dust free inside there. That's just the condenser. Really good buy in 8kg or 9kg format. And if you're not a high user, you don't want to be a high user, but you just want it really quick, condenser from Beko.